Hello. This is a short video about being critical. So in the last recent days, I saw lots, or rather, I'm seeing it rather often, that people are having theories or whatever that there are glitches all the time. That the price of XRP went up from $1 to whatever $10,000 or whatever $1,000 or and so on. And people have the wildest theories calling it testing liquidity or whatever. They're just testing the system, stuff like that. I'm sorry here to be like more of a realist or some more like being less optimistic about that. So am not making any price prediction of any kind. So I don't care about that. I just wanted to show you in this video like how easy it is to manipulate data on a website. So don't trust anything you see. Basically, be critical and always verify yourself. So meaning that if you ever see a video, for example, I don't remember. Oh, it was Coin Codex, wasn't it? Coin Codex. Yeah, I think it was Coin Codex. Yeah. So whenever you see a video like where somebody is just filming it and then showing it, it means probably that it is most likely manipulated. So I would be like with 99%. Oh well, rather I would say with 100% certainty that that it was just manipulated or it was a bug from the website. So quickly to show you that it's very easy to edit any HTML on any website. So the thing is, so first we should have to we need the technical understanding of that. Okay. So the thing here is, for example, let's quickly take a server. So whenever you're requesting a website, for example, when we go to CoinMarketCap, we've got here the domain and we're sending a request in HTTP request to the server. And so we've got here the CoinMarketCap server, I'm gonna call it CMC, and there's my computer. So I'm gonna take a laptop or something like that. Yeah, let's just take that one here, and there's my computer. Okay. So the first thing when I enter the URL and press enter, I'm sending a request to the server, and I'm telling it like give me the site. So I'm telling it that, and after it got my request, it's looking over my request, and the server is giving me the site structure. And this thing is sending me a HTML document more or less. So it's more than that. It's like multiple requests being sent. So we can quickly look it up. So if you press Control Shift and I, you can open the dev tools. And when I go to the website and click enter, you can see there are lots of HTTP requests being sent out. So lots of things are happening here. But the general gist is I'm sending a request and it's answering me with the HTML structure. So it's telling me, yeah, what does this website look like? Okay, so we can see here it's giving me a full document. The thing is, as soon as I've loaded that, I'm not fetching the data again or something like that. So there's a background refreshing process for the information, but still, so this is all stored right now, cached or well, more or less downloaded to my computer in this browser. Okay, meaning that I could just go there, click on right click, and say inspect. And then here it's very easy, so I'm just expanding it here. So yeah, it's updating, and then I could just, for example, edit the price here. Oh my gosh, they're testing liquidity or something like that. So now the stuff here is it's got a refreshing process in the background. So it could be just turning it off more or less. So we'd have to look that up where that is running. Um, but let's see if it just calls opera or not. But never mind. It's I would have to use the like set time. Well, I can access that, but never mind. But still, it's basically the same principle. So or we could also like stop the internet connection here. But if I change the data, so oh my god, what's happening here? Oh no, it's a glitch. They're testing liquidity and stuff like that. So as you can see here, it's very easily manipulatable. Okay, so anybody can do that. You don't even have to be a genius or anything. You can just go to the site and you can just edit anything. Right click and go to edit, and you can just edit it and then act like something awesome has happened and call it a glitch or whatever, that there's something bigger going on here and that everything's weird, and yeah. So that is very easy, okay? That's the first part. Also, so I'm not going to show it off, but also manipulating these graphs here. It's basically the same principle. So I would have to look more deeply into it because I can. So it's like a canvas here. So right, so oh no, not even a canvas. I think nope. But it's a different drawing tool. So I would have to look into the drawing tool. But basically the gist is the same. So being able to just manipulate data here, so I also can just access that and, for example, change the numbers here quite easily. So just go in there and can also change from 1.6 to whatever, to another big number, okay? So that's very easy. That works for all of it. So you can just change it to 24 here, so and so on, okay? It's very easy. And also like showing the graph so that there are multiple ways to do that. So my basic statement here is be critical, always check things for yourself. So when you see that video, then go to coin codings yourself and check if it's really true. So in 100% of the cases, it's not true. And also never forget there could be also the possibility of the website itself having a bad data feed. So that also happened, if I don't know if you remember, but with CoinMarketCap. So regarding the circulating supply, it was fetching data, but more or less CoinMarket was fetching old data. So they were using the oldest available data, using the circulating supply, and because the circulating supply was low, the CoinMarketCap is being the market cap is being calculated by circulating supply times the price. So that one here is a calculated field. So meaning that when that one is wrong, also the market cap is wrong. Therefore, the spot is incorrectly displayed. So I do hope that that I explain everything clearly here. And right, so that you just have to be more critical, and sometimes life isn't that interesting. So life is always interesting, but you don't have to like, so sometimes it's not that interesting that whatever, that there is like, but I don't know, that the price, that there's something bigger going on in the background right now, that somebody's intentionally testing how the price is being pumped and lowered and stuff like that. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.